Summer is here and we're having lots of fun building stuff for outside.
And today our sister is super lucky because we're building her this really cute front porch planter.
And it's also really cute because it has her address numbers on it.
And it hangs on the wall, so like 2 birds with 1 stone, right?
She is very, very lucky.
She is lucky.
Let's get to building. Okay, the first step in building this super cute wall planter is going to be adding our pocket holes to our planks. I've already done a few, but then we're gonna do our top and bottom. This will sit top and bottom. So here we go. And what are we using, Ash?
We are using the Kreg Jig 720 Pro. This is our favorite Kreg Jig model because you can switch from 3/4 inch stock to 1.5 inch stock by just adjusting the stock collar right here. It's got the self-adjusting clamp that helps you to switch between the lumber sizes. And it has an storage on the back for all of your gadgets
and gizmos. So I'm adding a 3/4 inch pocket hole at the top and bottom of this board, and I'm also gonna add it on both sides because it's gonna attach our trim in another step. Ashley, do you like planting things?
I love planting things. I just can't keep them alive.
Yeah. I told my sister, who I'm building this for, our sister, that I think she should use a fake plant because it's gonna hang on the wall and she'd be watering it all the time.
Or some
faux is all the rage.
Faux is fun.
It's faux real, a lot easier to keep alive. Okay, so this is gonna be our top board. I'll do the bottom one in just a second. And then they're all going to start lining up. And I believe we have 9. Let me do one more while Ashley gets them lined up to start planking. Actually, you can go ahead and get started on that. I think you know the drill. See what I did there?
Pun intended.
Here for the joke.
So punny.
I have a joke. Why did the man fall in the well?
Why did the man fall in the well?
Yep.
I'm not clever enough for that.
He didn't see that well.
Ha!
So Ash, tell them what you're doing.
Well, I'm trying to get it
Besides
lined up.
lining it up not accurately. It's okay, it's for Leisha and Jeffrey's house, so I don't care.
I am using 1.25 inch pocket hole screws to attach all of these planks together. We're not using wood glue when we plank. We just use the pocket hole screws and no glue.
So at this point, we have our 9 boards planked together. You can see our pocket holes that are gonna attach our trim around the edges. And that is where these guys come in. So we're gonna do our top and our bottom first. Bottom. We're gonna do our bottom first. We're gonna do our top and bottom first. I did not miter these because it's gonna hang on the wall.
Yeah.
And I just thought it had that rustic planter look, you know? So these are going to be, we're gonna keep our planks face down, and we are going to attach these, and they are the same length. So y'all can download the free plans. It'll have all of these wonderful instructions, but this is going to be flush with the front, just like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and add pocket holes. You can see I've put them right here, and that's going to help attach the outside frame parts that I'm going to be measuring and cutting for here shortly. Ash, you can attach that one if you'd like.
Got it. How are we attaching it?
With pocket hole screws.
Flush on the front?
We're gonna use a little wood glue too.
Is it flush on the front?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
If you were listening to my instructions I was just giving Jeffrey, you would have heard that.
I was listening. I just wanted to make sure that you were paying attention to what you were saying.
Okay, gotcha.
So I'm just adding a little bit of wood glue at the bottom of this plank, and it's gonna be flush on the front, and I am attaching it with 1.25 inch pocket hole screws. And there's a weird little fly.
Let's attach this side now. So Ash got this one done. I'm gonna go ahead and attach this guy right here, same way, with wood glue and pocket hole screws. So what else do you like to plant, Ashley, besides fake plants?
I like to plant my butt on the couch.
Hey, there you go. No shame in that game.
All right, so I have another board. It's a 1x3, and I am measuring to see where we need to make the cut. On the side, it's gonna be flush with both ends of the top and bottom trim. All right, so I have a 1x3 cut down, and I am going to attach it to the planks through these 2 pocket holes, and then all of the pocket holes on the back planks.
I'll add glue, Ash, and if you want to glue it from that, or drill it in from that side, so you got a better angle than me, if you will.
I can do it.
Okay, so we're attaching our final board for this part. Okay, so let's flip this over. We've got our basic frame built, and now I wanted to get your opinion on this. So these are the numbers.
Cute.
Isn't it cute? I think it'll be really cute hanging. And not super heavy, so when Jeffrey has to hang it, he'll be fine. I was thinking, I kind of like the idea of coming down like this, 67, 45. And I think we'll wait. I kind of want to get it stained first. But then I was wanting to do like the planter, and I was trying to decide where I wanted to position it, because we're going to put 1x3s behind it. And then attach it. And
then drop it in.
Yeah, but
I like that.
I kind of like it down here, I think.
I like that.
And then she could either do something taller or let it flow down.
Yeah, I love that.
Do you agree? Okay, so this is actually a piece of scrap wood, but I can definitely get the size on the plans because I don't know it right now. So I'm just marking really quick to make these cuts. And then I'm gonna let Ash, you wanna grab the Craig jig again, Ash? Because I think we should Craig these into it and we'll nail the front board. Yeah, that's what we gonna do. Right there. Right down there. Hopefully that's, yeah, it'll work. Yeah, I'm just gonna go a little bit skinnier on it because I'm out of wood. And a fun twist of fate. Okay, so there's this piece, okay. Then this one. This will be really quick. So what I would do, Ash, is I'm gonna cut these for you, and then I think we should do, oh, they're already marked. I think we should do pocket holes that will go into here.
Yeah.
And then we'll just nail this piece. So only do the pocket holes that go into that and make like a U.
Okay.
And then we'll put it in.
Okay.
So we'll attach this board first, and I've marked where it goes. Actually I haven't, but it looks really good. And we're adding wood glue right here. Let me get it in that spot that I marked so clearly. There we go. And the great news about this planter, there's lots of great news about it, but the really great news is that you can modify this, right, Ash?
Oh yes, you can make it as long, as wide as you want for whatever space you have. And you can even change the numbers to a different color.
Different numbers. You don't have to use 67,
You don't have to
45.
use those. You could go diagonal if you'd like.
You can use different numbers. I thought that's where she was headed to.
I did too. And then when she didn't, I was like, this is getting said right now.
It actually went through my head when I was saying it. I was like, this sounds like I'm saying you don't have to use the numbers.
This is the 67.
I paused. You can put any numbers you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Make it your own, guys.
All right, so you can see right here, this is going to be our planter, and we have the base of it attached, and now I'm gonna add some wood glue and let Ash nail it on.
So I'm using 1 1/4 inch brad nails to attach the front of the planter. There we go.
So our final step is going to be adding, I don't know if she wants to stain it or paint it, but I told her she gets to do the honors since it's going at her house.
Oh, perfect.
And then once we do that, we're going to get our numbers attached. I love it too. I love it on her door with the painted door and the white walls. I think it's so, so cute.
Make sure that you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss another video.
Happy building! Summer is here and we are having tons of fun building lots of things for outside. Today we are.
Do it again. We are making our sister a front porch planter address hold. What is it?
Say it 3 times fast.
What is it called?
Front porch. Front porch address planter hanger.
Hanger.
Front,
oh my gosh.
Front porch address planter hanger.
Of course I have that line.
There you go.
Front porch address hanging planter.
You said that totally different than you said you were going to.
What is it called? Hanging front porch address planter.
Yep,
What?
sure, that'll
Okay.
work.
We are building her this super cute planter. Damn it. Okay, do it again. Sorry. Front porch planter. Okay. Be in the moment. Sorry. Present.
And go ahead and give me a 1-2 on this too. Just 2 little ones.
2 little ones.
Yep.
Going into the wood, into the planks.
Yeah, I mean, it wouldn't matter if you flip it.
Wait, what?
It wouldn't matter if you flip it.
Why?
Well, I mean, you flip that around, what's it gonna change?
Well, up and down.
Oh, right, gotcha. I was like,
1, 2, 1, 2.
We're not on the same page.
really confusing.
First time I haven't understand your code.
For that, but 1, 2,
Yep.
2.
I was like 1, 2, 1, 2.
Yeah.
Oh, I need to drill pocket holes. So let's take it over to the
Wait.
Craig jig.
What do you need pocket holes for?
Just kidding. I don't need pocket holes. Sorry.
Will you just do what I say? Thanks.
I'm just changing the plans.
This is really simple.
I'm going on the fly, off the cuff.
You're redesigning my project is what you're doing. I'm gonna cut this down real quick. Real quick, super quick. No, I'm not. I'm gonna plug this all back in. Huh?
Hold on. We didn't put any pocket holes in these.
We didn't?
I
or,
didn't.
Or you didn't?
I was like, why is there a
I
gap?
definitely asked you to.
I was like, why is it gaping?
Should I?
And you can even change the...
So sorry.
Done.
Okay, done.